the deck.
I was awake last night. I could hear the drips dripping on the bed. Autumn in Capetown. Bloody cold. Is it a nice day?
Yeah?
Another nice day.
Can I open the window?
Yeah, but watch the rain because it'll pour on me. Nice day. Where's my coffee?
I'm gonna make it. Come on.
Raise it up.
Is it cold?
Rain. Look at this. So these are T sections and the stringers which support the deck, and they get cold. Here's okay, but this part gets cold. Anyway. Rain showers forecast. Every morning we were excited to get up and see what the day would bring. The weather is constantly changing here in South Africa, and it makes for some spectacular scenes. Even the light seemed different in South Africa. Hout Bay is a small fishing village about 20 minutes drive from Capetown. Its locals rely on the tourism that the pretty bay brings. We were constantly in awe of the beauty of this place, the majestic mountains, the wild weather, and the amazing animals. There is so much wildlife around Capetown, but this big guy really topped the list. A gigantic elephant seal from the depths of the Southern Ocean. He decided to park himself on the beach in Hout Bay for a week, just so he could sunbake and let the barnacles drop off. We loved living in Hout Bay. It had 4 supermarkets within 10-minute walk, some fantastic restaurants and cafes.
Yeah, it's got all the properties, very concentrated. It concentrates quite interestingly.
and the weekend markets were awesome. We had IPA beers, a wide variety of foods, live entertainment, and this guy. I'm so glad that I was not the focus of his rigid gaze, because that would have been just weird. So we're in Capetown, Hout Bay, Capetown, and we've got a little problem coming up. We're coming up to a 3-month limit on our visa. We could extend or renew, but Princess cannot. Filipinas must have a visa before they arrive, and turns out couldn't be extended. So the only option they gave us, we first got the visa in Mauritius for South Africa.
Yep.
But anyway, in South Africa, they told us the only option is to go back to the Philippines and apply again for a visa. And luckily, I had 7 years worth of credit card frequent flyer points, so we traveled in style back to Manila.
What is it? Is it telephone? What do you guys? Why have two?
2 shoes? Why do I have 2 shoes?
This is eye patch. Oh, socks. Yay! It's PlayStation.
So the timing was okay anyway. I needed to go back to Asia just to do a little bit of work, and you know, you could see your mom and your dogs.
Hey! Oh, boy! Oh, Mr. Minty Mommy! Oh, boy, Daddy, Daddy! Oh, go to Daddy! Oh, Daddy! Look at Daddy! Oh, wow! Oh, so many kisses! So many kisses! So many kisses! Oh, ay, sus! Oh, ang daming kiss! Ang daming kiss! So many kiss!
How's your knee, Jamie?
It's my back. Yeah, it's okay.
You kilat! Oh, so wet! Why are you so wet? Wee.
That's why I put it down. But so the day before we were to leave Capetown, I wasn't happy where Jupiter was sitting in the marina. It was quite exposed, and we're getting some really strong winds at that time. In fact, within a few days before we left, we had 67 knots. It blows like stink for 3 days or so, you know. So I wanted to reposition the boat to a more safer pen. So we did that. They arranged us, organized us a good pen, and we moved the boat in there. And there's lots of staff, you know, there's like three guys helping. But they just, I don't know Or maybe they don't, in Cape Town they don't care, it's always too windy, they just scratch their boats up. But anyway, we're coming in and I'm saying fend off, because we're about to rub on the side of the pen.
Yeah.
And they just stand there and look at it, you know. Then there's a fender right in front of them, but they won't position it and they won't push off. So I jumped off the boat probably 2 or 3 times to push off, you know, so save the brand new paintwork that we had. Anyway, later that night my back felt a bit twingy, a bit funny, and I'd got a history of a disc problem. I had a discectomy 18 months before that. Anyway, I thought, lucky we got business class tickets, so we could lay down, and we had a very comfortable flight all the way, well, 3 flights, to Manila. But by the end of it, my back was really in pain, and I even had to get a wheelchair at the airport. Got to your mum's and slept, had 1 night, and had to go to hospital next day. So it was the same problem I had a year and a half earlier, the same disc impinging on my sciatic nerve, causing serious sciatic pain down my legs, such that I couldn't walk. Yeah, went through that all again, another hospital stay of 10 days, and actually we changed hospitals twice, we had 3 hospitals. But the surgeon, we googled him specifically, and his name came up as the leader of orthopedic surgery in Philippines. So I just found that guy and where he works, and that's the hospital we checked into in the end. And yeah, I remember he said, how did you, because no one referred me to him, you know, how did you find me? And I said, on Google.
He's famous.
So I think he was good, and yeah, so we spent another 2 weeks recovering at your mum's house before flying back to Cape Town.
So guys, if you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe.
And stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.